All right, now let's take you through a little of the controversy that came up right when the President Draupadi Murmu was addressing the parliament. The president, of course, invoked emergency in the parliament address, and that's when you heard sloganeering as Draupadi Murmu raked up the topic. The president says emergency is a dark chapter in democracy. It caused state of panic. Draupadi Murmu saying specifically emergency was a period that caused immense panic in the country, and it was a blot on democracy, a dark chapter really, and this led to sloganeering. Yet again we heard in the parliament premises. Of course, this has been the debate in the last few days. 25th marked 50 years of the emergency period when it was imposed under Indira Gandhi. You have leaders extensively quoting it. You have Draupadi Murmu, the president too, in her opening address in the 18th Lok Sabha, mentioning the emergency period, calling it a dark chapter. Here's what she said.
माननीय सदस्यगण, आने वाला कुछ महीने में भारत एक गणतंत्र के रूप में 75वें वर्ष पूरी करने जा रहे हैं। भारत का संविधान बीती दशकों में हर कसौटी पर खरा उतरा है। जब संविधान बन रहा था तब भी दुनिया में ऐसे ताकतें थे जो भारत के असफल होने की कामना कर रही थी। देश में संविधान लागू होने के बाद भी संविधान पर अनेक बार हमले हुए हैं। आज 27 जून है। 25 जून 1975 को लागू हुआ आपातकाल संविधान पर सीधे हमले का सबसे बड़ा और काला अध्याय था। तो पूरे देश में हाहाकार मच गया था, लेकिन ऐसी असंवैधानिक ताकतों पर देश ने विजय प्राप्त करके दिखाया, क्योंकि भारत के मूल में गणतंत्र की परंपराएं रही है। मेरी सरकार भी भारत के संविधान को सिर्फ राजकाज का माध्यम भर नहीं मानती, बल्कि हमारा संविधान जन चेतना का हिस्सा हो, इसके लिए हम प्रयास कर रहे हैं। इसी ध्येय के साथ मेरी सरकार ने 26 नवंबर को संविधान दिवस के रूप में मानना शुरू किया है। आप भारत के उस भूभाग हमारे जम्मू कश्मीर में भी संविधान पूरी तरह लागू हो गया है, जहां आर्टिकल 370 की वजह से स्थितियां कुछ और थी।
All right, let me cut across to Amit Bharwa joining us live from Delhi. He's been tracking the movements in the parliament. Amit, the president's address, the first in the 18th Lok Sabha, she started off on a great note, of course, with disapproval from the opposition, who created an uproar when she spoke of the NDA getting a third term, which is a historic mandate. It appeared that the opposition was upset with that. They slammed the desk. You heard uproar and sloganeering at that point. And then the next was when she spoke of emergency, again evoking how this was a dark chapter in Indian democracy. We heard uproar in the House. Give us more on the bits of the controversy that panned out over her speech.
Nabila, we have to understand that the speech that is given by the President at the commencement of the 18th Lok Sabha and in the joint house of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, it is essentially government and the cabinet of the ruling dispensation, which essentially means that in this particular case the NDA, the BJP had prepared it, and it obviously had the highlights of the work that was delivered in the past 10 years and the roadmap for the 5 years to come from here. And when President Draupadi Murmu referred to the fact that the people of this country have given clear mandate to the government for the third time, it sends across a message of stability, of consistency. That's when the opposition actually showed their disapproval to this particular mentioning by the president, because the opposition is of the opinion, and they continue to keep on saying that the BJP has been defeated by the people of India. The BJP did not get a mandate. They don't have a clear mandate, and it's an alliance that is in power at the center. So that was one point where the opposition benches did show their disapproval. Moving forward, if you look at the other key highlights of President Draupadi Murmu's address to the Joint House, obviously emergency was something that was likely to be part of this address, and that has happened so as well. The reason being is that, number one, Draupadi Murmu, the president, had she had said as to how this was an unconstitutional decision that was imposed on the country, as to how the civil liberties of the country, of the common people, were curtailed, and there was attack on freedom of expression. All that mentions have come as well. But this is in continuation of the strategy of the government as well, Nabila, because we know for a matter of fact that during the elections, the Congress party and the India bloc had constantly said that the constitution is in danger, and that the people must vote to save the constitution. And after that, the BJP leaders themselves accept that in Uttar Pradesh they had to face the burnt because of this kind of narrative. And now, since the government has come back to power, the NDA is back in power, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi made it a point that this narrative has to be broken, and what better than raising the issue of emergency, more so because 25th of June marked the 50th anniversary, or rather the day when the emergency was imposed in the country. And since then we have seen the Prime Minister Narendra Modi using that reference yesterday as well, when Om Birla was giving his address to the House after being elected as the Speaker. He also mentioned about the dark chapter of emergency, and even today in the speech, President Draupadi Murmu spoke about emergency and as to how unconstitutional act was imposed on the entire country. And extending that particular argument, she spoke as to how the constitution has been now implemented across the country, including that in Jammu and Kashmir, where the special 370 has been abrogated, and then the reference of CAA. But when Draupadi Murmu, the president, was referring to the emergency chapter, that's when again the disapproval came from the opposition benches, because continuously the India bloc has been also saying that you are speaking about emergency that was imposed 50 years back, but what about the undeclared undeclared emergency that has been going on in the country for the past 10 years? And Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge had also spoken about this particular fact, Nabila. So yes, disapproval, a bit of sloganeering from the other side as well, from the opposition benches, but the 10 years of work has been already mentioned by President Draupadi Murmu, and the roadmap for the next 5 years have been in a way also, the larger line has been also drawn. Back to you.
All right. Amit, do stay with us. Well, of course, there were many other issues that were touched upon. President Draupadi Murmu spoke specifically on the NEET controversy.